Welcome down to Funland in Hayling Island. That's right, it's actually ride time as well. It's summer, honestly. It's summer. So the first bit of rain I've seen in ages is the day I decided to come down to the park, which is just typical, isn't it? But we are going to take you on board some rides. We want to make sure we get on the coaster. We want to make sure we get on Dragon's Rush. And of course, we might do it. We might end on the Log Flume since it's wet already. Why not? Why not, to be honest with you? But let's crack on. Let's get on some rides down here at Funland. It's not due to rain for the remainder of the day, which is good news as well. And of course, they're still open for another few days of summer. It's always good when I come down to Funland. I always get sidetracked in conversation with people that I know well, and it's always nice to catch up with them. But we are going to get on a ride now, and we are going to start with the mine train. It's the mine train down here at Funland Hayling Island. First time I've ridden it actually in a few months, so we thought we'll take you on board for it. I absolutely love this. I know people go on about the turns and things, but it's what it's designed to do, people. It's what it's designed to do. And I'll tell you, the sun is breaking through as well, actually. I'm starting to regret my trousers and hoodie sort of attire. I can't lie. It's starting to get a bit warm, which is good, because look at the fair, look, the rides are going round, there's people everywhere, the car park's starting to fill up. Oh yes, what better way to start it? So we'll take you on 3 or 4 rides today. I think we will. I think we're just going to have to, with tradition, end with the Log Flume. So make sure you check out us ending with the Log Flume. It's definitely open, here we go. Woo! Yeah, round we go. That is my favourite corner, although this one is also pretty good. Oh yes, we're round. And a few bunny hops to finish. Round the corner. And then into the break. Love it. Absolutely love the mine train down here. A fantastic little coaster. There it is, the mine train coaster. And you get some great views as well coming out the exit here of the track, and of course the car going round. We still haven't managed to see the turntable in action. If you've seen our behind the scenes from the park, I've still missed the turntable. That's something I need to catch this winter for sure. Our next stop is the Cyclone, the Twister, of course, one of the fairground favourites here at the park. Now then, we always take this opportunity to sort of relax, chill out and talk about Halloween. We're not far away from Halloween. We know actually they have started preparing Halloween. I've had a chat with them. We've got some new things coming as well. I'm not going to tell you what they are yet, but we've got some new things coming to 2 of the mazes. That includes the clown maze over here with a returning favourite, and he's going to be brilliant. I'm telling you that now, he's going to be brilliant. And then some new scenes down in the Theatre of Screams. Let me just adjust my butt across here. There we go. We're adjusting. And it's going to be brilliant. Honestly, Halloween here is brilliant. They're doing 2 nights this year, so you need to book early. This thing is going a lot quicker than what I remember it going last time I was on it. Like a lot quicker. And then of course you've got Christmas coming as well. Best Christmas event on the South Coast, without a doubt. Like a must, and it does sell out. There's no ifs or buts. You will not get in unless you pre-book. But oh my God, how fast is this Twister going? I have to say, I don't remember this going this quick. It's definitely the quickest it's ridden in a long time, to be honest with you. And it's great to get back on some rides down here at Funland. You know I come down here a lot. I love the guys here. They're incredible to me. And I've bought tickets today, so I've bought, just readjust my arm, I bought 24 tickets for 15 quid, with these big rides being just free tickets. Free tickets, absolute bargain, to be honest with you. It really is. And we're going to do Dragon's Rush next, because I absolutely love Dragon's Rush. And then we will end probably on the Log Flume. I might do the spinning coaster. I might save some tickets the next time I come. But we're definitely going to do Dragon's Rush. But that is a Cyclone. Let me tell you, that's got some pace. That's got some pace this summer. The sun's coming out. No better place to be than the South Coast, riding some rides. It's Dragon's Rush here at Funland Hayling Island. Needless to say, I'm going to go as far as saying this is the most popular ride in the park. It always has people queuing for it. It always has people on it. And it's an absolute crowd pleaser. It's not slow by any means. You fly around. I'm proper sticking to the edge here. And of course you get a forward and backward cycle too. Many people will know this ride from the Dragon Ride at Paulton's Park, which of course came out for the installation of Valguard. I'm quite lucky to have this even closer to home now. Funland's closer than what Paulton's Park is for me, so I can come down and ride it anytime I like, and it's a cracking ride. It's a really good example, and it gives a nice family thrill as well, as people are trying to hold on for dear life and not pin everyone to the edge. It doesn't matter, just pin them. Just pin them. I've not got Cody here today pinning me to the edge, thank God. In fact, he'd be on the outside seat, I'll be pinning him to the edge. That's how I'm going to run with this. But you also get a really good cycle. So you get about 3 minutes in total, you get about 90 seconds either way. But of course, I love the fact that it doesn't just go forward. Once we stop here, we then switch into reverse, and you'll head backwards as well. Now, if you haven't watched it, for a lot of people, look, it's quite a surprise, because a lot of people don't realise it then goes backwards. And backwards is a really unique feeling as well on a ride, particularly on a twister or anything like that. It really does mess with your senses. And yes, before you ask, it is quicker backwards. Oh, yes. Absolutely love it. If you're coming down to Funland, this is a must ride. Free tokens, that's it, free tokens. Of course you can get unlimited wristbands. I'm not going to be here all day for wristbands, but if you're family bound, you'll probably ride the slide multiple times. You'll probably want to go on the bikes and the carousel and the jumbos and things. You know, I'm here on my own, I'm just going to go on the big rides. And we'll show you around the bottom end of the park, even though we are going to end on the Log Flume. But look at this, look at it go. Love it, love it. Right, that is Dragon's Rush done. That's 3 rides down in really quick time. Again, you won't be queuing here, you get a wristband, you will get so many rides in. Open 11 till 7 today. You would get so many rides in 8 hours. Now, I've turned the mic off for this because the mic is not waterproof. And this can be a little bit of a soaker. But when I say can be, it's a soaker. It's not something I would normally, well actually it's something I always do in it. I don't know why I'm trying to kid here. It's a very leisurely ride. So this actually is a big country mountaineering one. It's one of only 4 built in the UK. It's one of only 3 still operating, and it's a completely custom layout to the park. They actually built the shed down the back is built with it, if you will. So part of the supports form part of that. So if they were ever to change it, the shed would have to come out too. So it's quite custom, and you know, you've got to look at that as a small park, you know, that they do things like that. And a little tunnel. It's not the quickest, but it's nice and scenic. You've got a little tunnel. What's not to like? But we might get wet. And when I say might get wet, I think we're going to get wet. Now, it just is what it is. I'm on it now. Bar breakdown, maybe an evac. We're not going to be lucky, are we? We're going to get wet. So this has been recently rethemed. We always say to the Jungle Splash. We've got some nice colour, they got some models, they got the plane crash in the middle, of course. And again, it's this kind of level of detail that you don't often get from smaller places, but you do get from here. And this is why I love it so much, in honesty. Custom Log Flume with some theming. Now then, we are approaching where it's all going to go wrong. The big question is, how wet are we going to get? Answers on a postcard. Hold on at all times. We've got the tiger up there. So actually this here, interesting, used to be a little go-kart. So this bridge used to be in use. You used to be able to come across over the drop and come over here for the go-karts. I think they were like the little paid ones, which they've got in the middle at the moment from what I remember. And of course it's been used for a theming piece. It's not particularly practical, people coming over for it, and I doubt they were that popular either. And here's Dingo Danes. Oh, here we go. It's happening. My arm's already wet. Funnily enough, my butt is wet from the twister because they've got pads at the bottom. Yeah, my butt's wet from that, to be honest. But much like, you know, normal Log Flumes, it breaks up the boat, so we can't go anywhere yet while that boat's going round. We'll see that one, we might see that one come down. We might hear it come down at the very least. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, I can hear it. Oh! Come on, let's get this over with. I'll tell you what though, it's really nicely padded at the back. By handle that beautiful sight over on Hayling. Oh my god, my butt is soaking. My butt is soaking. And there's the other way. Oh, my butt. Oh, that's just so wet. It's so wet. I don't know what to tell you. Here comes the drop. Here it comes. I'm going to put one arm on this. There's a lot of water in the boat. And there's Jungle Splash here at Funland. I mean, I knew I was going to get wet. It's not a, holy crap. It's not a shock by any means. I just forget sometimes just how wet you get. I enjoyed that. So that's Jungle Splash. That'll probably be our last ride, but we will show you down the bottom as well and the other rides and attractions which are open for the summer. Okay, fair to say, bit of a soaker, the Log Flume. But actually quite refreshing. The sun has come out. It's not cold today. I actually regretting the trousers choice, to be honest with you. Love it, love it, love it, love it. But more rides are open down the bottom. Obviously we've got the Jumbos up here as well as the Viking boats. But there's only one closed at the moment. End of Summer Fireworks is the next big event, which is on Saturday the 29th of August at 9 p.m. Free fireworks on the beach. Again, come down, enjoy the rides, watch the fireworks. And it is only Aztec Falls, which is closed at the moment. But we'll head down here. You can probably see next to me that carousel's open, the bikes are open, the balloons are open, the Jurassic Safari's open. Of course, the spinning coaster down in the bottom corner is also open, right next to where the Halloween preparation will begin. Now, it hasn't begun quite yet. I've seen some sort of plans and things. Yeah, it looks good. It always looks good. I always love what they do with it. And there's going to be some upgrades this year to this one over here as well. But yeah, Aztec Falls, unfortunately not operating today. But spinning coaster is, Jurassic Safari is, and everything else is. But yeah, what an amazing time down here at Funland. I love coming down to Funland. I don't always pick up the camera when I come down here. I love to come down here, have a chat with the guys, find out what's going on. And I can't wait now for Halloween. I can't wait. Make sure you check out tickets for this and Christmas. The Christmas event, which is held at the top, will sell out. Sells out every year without fail. I know there's a couple of people that have heeded my warnings on this and have gone there and have said it's absolutely incredible. It really is. If you're down here, incredible value for money. You get a few rides that are open as well. It's right up the top. It's really immersive. It's guided all the way around. And of course you get to see the big guy as well. Make sure you book it now.